Did you know the greatest European footballer of his generation chose to skip the 1978 World Cup, and for nearly 30 years, nobody really knew why? Johan Cruyff was at the peak of his powers. The Netherlands reached the final without him. The world scratched its head. Cruyff gave vague answers. People assumed it was politics, or protest, or pride. The mystery just sat there, quietly, for decades. Then, close to the end of his life, Cruyff finally told the truth. Months before the tournament, armed intruders broke into his home in Barcelona. They tied up his wife and children at gunpoint. It was a kidnapping attempt. His family was terrorized inside their own home. He never reported it publicly. He never used it as an excuse. He simply withdrew from the World Cup and carried that weight alone for 28 years while the world called it a mystery. Think about that. He protected his family twice, once by walking away, and once by never saying a word.